a reconstruction of Gutenberg press machine. About 560 years back, he started to print like this, in Europe, of course, this part of the world, we can say. But he's from Germany, and about 100 years after him, there was Primož Trubar, man who printed first Slovenian
Protestant leader.
Yeah. First two books are actually ABC book, Abecedarium, learning how to read and write, we can say, and in the same time also Catechism. These two were first Slovenian books, and ABC book we also printed here in the same way, so we used handmade paper. This machine looks the same as the first one, but of course it's not original, otherwise I wouldn't hold it like this. Yeah. So, and well, I will put it here, you can also try to read it, no problem. It's in all
First page, you see, because Sandra is written there. The Abecedarium is Bukvice, Abecedarium and a Bukvice, that's from German, a little booklet, iz katerih se ti mladi in preprosti, from which this young and simple Slovenian easily learn how to write and read fast.